So, good morning. Today we are going to talk about this topic called chef and contest. So, this is a very basic problem. It's a cakewalk problem. So, let's see first the input and what output we will get. So, here you are entering the four values 10, 8, 2, and 3. Now, what are those values? These values are basically you need to print where there is a competition going on between two chefs. One's name is chef and another's name is chefina. So they have equalized everything, but there are some penalties according to which they will decide who will be the winner, right? So whatever conditions you are going to make, you will either print chef or you will print chefina. If both are equal, you will print draw. This is the simple sample source, and this is the output. Now let's go back and come to the scenario here. So if you see this, chef and chefina, right? So these two are competing against each other. So chefs solve all the problems with X minute, right? And they make P wrong decisions, right? So he make P wrong decisions. This is, and Shafina solve Y problems, right? In Y minutes, but she made Q wrong decisions. You need to print which one is a winner, either Shafina or Chef, or if both are equal, you need to print draw. Now, how we will do this? So, winner will clearly will be the one person with the less penalty time. That's it. We need to find out the penalty time, how much penalty that each person has taken. If that penalty is greater than that, print that person name. So let's see how we find out the penalty. So here the formula for penalty they have already provided to us. That how much time will you take to solve that problem? X plus 10 times the wrong submissions. Alright, this is how you will find out the penalty. Alright, both the cases. So you are given with X value, with Y value, P value, and Q value. Right? And which one is greater, you will print that name. And if they are equal, you will print draw. So let's take an example of this. 10, 8, 2, and 3. Right? So here X value is 10, Y value is 8, P value is 2, and Q value is 3. Now, how will you take this? X is 10 plus 10 multiplied by 2. So 10 plus 10 multiplied by 2 will give you 30. Right? This is the answer for chef. Now let's talk about chefina. Here P value is, Y value is 8. Right? Y plus 10 multiplied by 3, that is Q, which is 38. So which one is greater? 38 is greater. It means the time taken by Shafina is greater than that of chef. So who is the winner? Penalty time. The chef will be the winner, right? If it's less, then Shafina will be the winner. Let's take another example. Here in this example, both has X value 10, Y value 10, P value 10 and Q value 10. So here the formula is 10 plus 10 multiplied by 10, which will give you 110. And in both sides, they will give you 110. That is draw. Right? So you will draw the situation. Now next is who will win? That is, next is who will win? That Shafina will win or not. So here X value is 40. 40 plus 10 multiplied by 2 will give you 60. And 21 plus 10 multiplied by 0 will give you 21. So here Shafina will win because she has taken a less time for the penalty. Alright. So what you need to do? You need to first write down this formula and then simple if and else condition to run that problem. Okay, and let's go back, and here let's see what we have done. So if you go here, so basically in the first part, what we do, we are entering the value as always 3. They have entered 3 as a value. Now here you need to enter all the values x, y, p and q. So you're scanning the value for the first parameter. So it is 10, 8, 2 and 3. Right? So how to find the first chef penalty? Chef penalty is simple. 10, that is x, plus p. What is p? Here 2. So 2 multiplied by 10. Right? You will get 30. Now, this is the chef penalty. Now, let's talk about Chefina penalty. What is the value of y? That is 8 plus 3 multiplied by 10. So, what is the value? It becomes 38. Right? So, we know whosoever penalty is greater, that name will not be printed. Okay, let's check. If chef penalty and Chefina's penalty, if it's less, so chef is clearly a winner. So here 30 is less than 38. So it will print chef. Right? This is the first condition. And in the second condition, if it's greater, it will print that specific name. So here it is printing another name equal. Since all are equal, so it will go with this else draw condition. And in the last one, here this is smaller as I can see, but you can do and check your mathematical calculation. It will print Chefina. We have already discussed this. So the only logic is this formula and the if condition, right? So I think we understood the question. So yeah, see you in the next video.